Tim, our Toastmaster, used 4 times. I was told I was supposed to be the counter as well. You was used 1 time, if was used 1 time, I was used 1 time. Repetitious words, and that's one of those things. My timer referenced the word 2 times. General evaluator, Sonia, so far 2 times. And normally, by the way, for a guess, when you do your first speech, we don't count any ahs. However, as a learning tool, there were 15 ums and 5 ahs. Denise, the word and was utilized as a filler 1 time. Chenille, was used 3 times. And I can go back now and reference grammarian. Word of the day was utilized by Art, Alicia, and I don't believe anybody else used it other than yours truly who put it up there.
Tim did.
Oh, Tim did. That's right. And I stopped counting once the speaker started. Excuse me. By the way, I just used the word out. Okay, on the plus side, words that hopefully we utilize a little bit more, or for our improvement in our vocabulary. Just got me so saying nothing. Metaphors by Laura. Intersperse. Good use of words, by the way. Tim, you have a tendency to use somewhat of a time, somewhat during the meeting, when it should be just the word sometime. Then also sort of control, instead of, and by the way, you caught yourself, you actually corrected yourself and instead said usher, which is actually a very good word to use. By the way, I love the phrase, "Let's accompany." That's a good joke. Art. Reference, ask impromptu speaking should be ask impromptu questions, since that was what the table topic was referencing. Alicia used the word personally you instead of, we just say personally, for example. Juan, conversing should be speaking about, referencing, something to that effect. And by the way, this is a language thing. Put some time into it. Should be use time, apply time instead. And then the reference to tortillas on tacos should actually be tacos made tortilla. And by the way, it's a language thing.
So you're going to say tortilla.
For us Spanish speakers, we have this tendency to translate word for word and we lose the connotation. So, okay. What else did I catch? Denise used the word dissection. Very good. And then during the evaluation, as is with, probably better to use the word similarly. And then a phrase you give, maybe use the word provide, use, apply. And then Tim. The only one I'm going to question was Drama Clydesdale? I'm not sure they're allowed to drink the beverage that they actually transport, but oh well. But I did get the mean. That was actually very good. And takes into account, Chenille, maybe use the words references, includes, considers. Another phrase, what it is, simply just say what. In other words, do what it is, in reference to just specifically what the item is. And then educate them on that, just simply say educate them. As a general evaluator,